Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again welcome you to your online classes. Now student, we continue our work. I hope you enjoy your new year celebration and you also continue your work, means reading and writing both things. I hope you are doing. Now student, we continue to our chapter, that is the chapter number 15, and what is the name of the chapter? Water and its form. Now in this chapter, what we completed? What do we completed? First explanation part. After that, whatever given in the chapter, fully we discussed about that, means I explained you all the things, those are given in this textbook. Now student, today we complete, means our explanation part is over. I already informed you about it in the last lecture, means our explanation is over. Now today we continue which thing, that is the book exercise and writing part. New words related to this chapter we are doing in this lecture. Okay student, now first we complete book exercise, that is given in the page number 105. Clear? This book exercise first we completed. What is given in this book exercise? First question, that is tick the correct option. Now the second question, correct the underlined word and rewrite the sentence. Means those words wrong here, it should be underlined. इसको underline किया हुआ है. In the place of this word we write correct word. Okay student. Now question number C. Complete the sentence. Means new word used and complete the sentence. It means this is the fill in the blanks. Fill the correct word here. So we continue our work and start the first question. That is the question number A. Tick the correct option. Three options given here. Three options given. We should tick only one. Clear? So student, I don't write here full sentence. I write only answer. Clear? Now read. First start reading. What is given in the number 1? Put your finger on the first line. The oases in the desert are formed by. What is the oasis? This is the small source of water. We should found this source of water in the which place? Desert. Clear? Now, and which types of source of this oasis in the desert? This is a source of underground water. Clear? In the desert, the water stored in this place, and this is the source of underground water. Clear? Oasis is the underground source of underground water that is found in the which area? Desert area. Clear? Now, so okay student, I write the sentence for you. Write this sentence. The oasis in the desert are formed by. Three options given here. I write only answer here. Okay student, I don't write three options. What is the correct? I wrote here. Okay, I write here A. What is given? The correct answer is A. Underground water. Underground water. This is the correct answer. Underground water is the source of formed in the desert. Okay. Underground water. The oases in the desert are formed by. But means which source of water form this? Rain or this is the source of underground water. Clear? Now number 2. Water is found frozen as in which place water is found frozen as in which form? That is water vapor. Now B is snow. Now the C number is rain. Rain is the liquid form of the water. Now the water vapor is A is water vapor. The water vapor is the which form of the water? Solid, liquid or gas? Gaseous form of the water. Clear? So this is not correct answer. Now the B, snow. Snow is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Why we take this answer? Because the snow is found in the high mountain areas and that area we don't found there rain. So much heavy rainfall is not there. Only the snowfall is there because the temperature is very low in the mountain area. Clear? So this is the snow, frozen form. So take the answer B. Frozen is snow. Student, I am not writing here whole 3 sentences. Only I am writing here correct answer. You have to tick the answer, okay? In the textbook. Clear? Now, what is given in the 1 number? The oases in the desert are formed by. The oasis is the source of water in the desert. तो which thing formed it? कौन सी चीज इसको बनाती है? Underground water or ocean, महासागर or seas, समुद्र बनाता है? No, underground water इसको बनाता है, oasis को. Now the number 2, water is found frozen as. पानी कहाँ? Water is found frozen as. पानी जो होता है जिसको फ्रोज किया जाता है, जमाया जाता है, तो वो कैसे, कहाँ पर बनता है या कैसे बनाया जाता है? Water is found frozen as. जब हम पानी को जमा देंगे तो वो किस रूप में मिलेगा? As वाटर वेपर, भाप के रूप में. B स्नो, बर्फ के रूप में. Now the third number is rain, बारिश के रूप में. इन स्नो, बर्फ के रूप में हमें पानी जमा हुआ मिलेगा. क्लियर? सो दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, सी द नंबर 3. वाटर इन इट्स कॉमन फॉर्म इज वाटर in its common form is. What is the common form of water? A gas, B solid, C liquid. What is the common form of the water? Think about it. The answer number C is correct. That is liquid. Liquid form is the common form of the water. तरल होता है ना, पतला होता है ना पानी. Okay. Now the number 4. ice on water changes into ice on. If we want to change the water in the ice, how should we change water into the ice? Means liquid form. If you want to liquid form change into the ice, how do you change? By heating, means गर्म करके, now cooling ठंडा करके, now freezing फ्रीज करके, टेम्परेचर लो करके. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज वाटर इनटू आइस, अगर हम पानी को बर्फ में बदलना है तो क्या करेंगे? हीटिंग गर्म करेंगे, बी कूलिंग ठंडा करेंगे, और फ्रीजिंग मीन्स उसको हम टेम्परेचर कम करके जमा देंगे पानी को. तो द ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. फ्रीजिंग, फ्रीजिंग, FREEZING, फ्रीजिंग. ओके, so this is the answer. What is given in the number 3? Water in its common form is, that is liquid. The liquid form is the common form of water. Now the fourth number, water changes into ice on freezing. अगर हमें पानी को बर्फ में बदलना है तो कैसे बदलेंगे? फ्रीज करके. Okay student, so this is the number 3 and 4. Tick your answer in the textbook. Okay, in the textbook tick the answer, because I wrote here only what is the answer. क्या है आंसर, सिर्फ वही मैं लिख रही हूँ यहाँ पर. You have to tick this answer in the textbook. Clear? Now the fifth number, on heating water changes into A. Ice, B. Snow, C. Water vapor. What is the meaning of the question? On heating water changes into, अगर हम पानी को गर्म करेंगे तो पानी किस में बदलेगा? आइस? नो, बर्फ में नहीं बदलेगा. B. Snow? No. Now C. Water vapor. The answer number C is correct. Water vapor. Take the option number C. Water vapor. Okay, this is the answer. Take this answer. Okay. Now the question number 1 is completed here. We take what is the answer number 1? Question number 1 is the oases in the desert are formed by. The answer is A. Underground water. Clear? Now the number 2, water is found frozen as in the as snow. Clear? Now the number 3, water in its common form is, that is the answer C. Liquid. Liquid, liquid. Now the fourth number, water changes into ice on. The answer number C. Freezing. Tick this option. Now fifth number, on heating water changes into C. Water vapor. Clear? So this is the question number A completed. Now the number B. Question number B. I don't write here question, only first sentence. Okay? What is given in the first number? The underlined word about this word underline. 1/4. 1/4 About, what is the sentence read? About 1/4 of the earth is covered with water. Only 1/4 part of the earth is covered with water? No. In the space of this word, what we write? What we write? Answer. How you write the answer of this question? About, in the space of this word, we write 3/4. This thing I explained you, I make a picture there like this, and we divide the earth into four part, and after that third, fourth part, not 1/4. Third, 3/4, 3/4, and rest of the sentence write as it is. Okay, पूरा sentence ऐसे ही आपको लिखना है, but in the space of this word you have to write the correct word. Clear? What is given in the one number? About 1/4 of the earth is covered with water. No, about the 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Clear? In the space of 1/4 you have to write 3/4. Clear? Now write numbers. What is given in the number 2? Water, vapor. Water vapor is the main source of water. What is the main source of water? In the space of this word, we have to write correct word. Okay? Water vapor. What we write here? Water vapor is the main source of water. Is it correct? Read the chapter. You found the answer of this question in the textbook, in the chapter. What is the correct answer? I showed you here answer. See the beginning of the chapter. What is given here? Heading. That is rain. Rain is the main source of water. So we have to write in the space of water. What we write here? The rain. What we write here? Rain is the main source of rain is the main source of water. Clear? So this is the number 2. The rain is the main source of water. Now the number 3. The upper limit of water is found frozen in. Water is found frozen in which area? In desert area. What is given here? Desert areas. Means water is found frozen in, जहाँ पानी जमा हुआ होता है. In desert area, in these areas we found water as a frozen form. No, not in the desert area. What we write in the space of desert area? What we write here? Water is found frozen in. Frozen means जमा हुआ पानी हमें कहाँ मिलेगा? बर्फ जैसा. Very high mountain areas. Okay, not in the desert, because the desert is a very hot place. So we found there. Sometimes we don't found any water source of there. In the some space we found which thing? Oasis. Clear? So in the space of this desert area we have to write water is found frozen in mountain, high mountain, right there. Clear? Write this answer. Water is found frozen in high mountains. Mountains. Okay. So this is the number 3. Water is found frozen in desert areas. No, water is found frozen in high mountains. Clear? Now number 4. What is given in the number 4? Read that. Read the 4 number. Water exists in five forms. No, in the space of 5, what we write? Water exists in 3 forms. THREE, 3 forms. Okay? Solid, liquid and gas. These are the 3 forms of the water. Clear? So in the space of 5 we write here 3 forms. Now see the question number C. What is this? Is the fill in the blanks. Complete the sentence. What is the heading? Complete the sentences. Okay. Now the first student, we don't write. I don't write here full sentence. We write only options. What you fill in the number 1? Blank is the main source of water. What is the main source of the water? The rain. Sorry, right here only rain. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Now the number 2. Fill this word in the number 1. Okay? R-A-I-N. Rain is the main source of the water. Now the number 2. The upper limit of groundwater is called the, what is the name of that layer? We found the water there. What is the name of that layer? The upper limit of underground water is called water table. What we fill here? Water table. Fill in the number 2, water table. Clear? Student, I don't write here full sentence, but if you write in your notebook, you write full sentence and fill the correct option in the blank space. Clear? आपको fill in the blanks में सिर्फ ये नहीं लिखना है नोटबुक में, ऑप्शंस नहीं, फुल सेंटेंस लिखोगे आप. क्लियर? Now the number 3. A blank is used to measure rainfall. If you want to measure rainfall कि कितनी बारिश हुई है किस एरिया में, तो which thing helped you to found the rainfall level? This is the tool for using the level of the rain in the particular area. If you want to know the rainfall in the particular area, with the help of this tool you have to measure the rainfall. That is rain gauge. Right. A is given. You have to write rain gauge. Rain gauge. G-U-A-G-E. That is rain gauge. G-U-A-G-E. Rain gauge is a tool. With the help of this tool, we measure the rainfall. Now, number 4. What is given in the number 4? Groundwater can also be drawn with the help of a groundwater. If you want to draw groundwater, hand pump, right? Hand pump. Fill this option. In the number 1, you have to fill rain. Rain is the main source of water. Now the number 2, what is given in the number 2? The upper limit of groundwater is called the upper limit. जब पानी जिस लेवल पर पहले मिलेगा अंडरग्राउंड वाटर, that is called water table. Water table. Fill number water table in the number 2. Now the number 3. A is also given. Is used to measure rainfall. That is the rain gauge. Name of the tool. This is the name of the tool. Rain gauge is a tool. It helps to measure rainfall. Now after that, fourth number, groundwater can also be drawn with the help of a hand pump. Fill here hand pump. Fourth number, HANDPUMP. Okay. So this is the question number C. Complete in your textbook. Fill there this option. Okay. Here. This is fill in the blanks. Question number C. Fill here. Now student, we completed book exercise here. All the things we completed here. Okay. Question number A, that is the tick the correct option we done. Now after that, question number 2, write the correct word, underline word, correct the underlined word and rewrite the sentence. Clear? Now after that, complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Here we fill correct word. That is the fill in the blanks. Means we write the correct option here. Okay. Which word we use to complete this sentence. So we completed this work. Now after that we write new words of this chapter. Now these new words you have to write in the CW notebook. Okay. आपको ये new words CW notebook में लिखना है. Now write the heading. New words. Number 1. Okay. New words number 1. Write in the number 1. First new word. How you write in the notebook? First you write date, day. After date write the chapter number. Then next line write chapter name. Leave one line and write heading new words. And after that start writing. Number 1. Write sources, and when you write the new words, write first letter small. Don't write capital. Okay. SOURCES. 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 Source means we get anything from any object. That is called source. If you got water from the river, the river is the source for you. Clear? If you get water from the tube well, the tube well is the source of water for you. Clear? If we get something from any object, अगर हम किसी से कोई चीज हमें किसी से मिलती है तो वो हमारा सोर्स होगा. Clear? Now number 2. Now write RAIN, rain. Number 3. Write in the number 3 RAIN, rain. and this is the source of underground water. Right here, water table. Water table. Water table. See the number 9. S-N-O-W, snow. Now the 10 is solid, S-O-L-I-D, solid. Now the number 11 is liquid, L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. Now the number 12 is G-A-S, gaze. So student, this is the 12 and after that we write number 13, 14, 15 and 16 also. But first once again I explain you this word S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources means we get something in the particular object. हमें किसी से कोई चीज मिलना तो देने वाला क्या है? सोर्स. क्लियर? Means we get fruit from the plant. So what is the source of the fruit for you? Which thing give you fruit? Plant or trees give us fruit. So the plant and tree is the source of fruit. So that is the source जिससे हमें कोई चीज मिल रही है. Clear? Now the rain, R-A-I-N, rain, number 2. Rain is the main source of water. P-U-R-E, pure. And the next, one other meaning rain, when water come or water droplets come on the earth in the form of water, in the liquid form, that is called rain. Clear? Now P-U-R-E, pure means Shuddh. That is not any mistake in the anything. Clear? If you get anything as whole shape and as whole texture, that is called pure. Clear? Not any thing mixed in the anything, that is called pureness. Clear? Now flows. Flows means behna. Clear? F-L-O-W-S, flows. Now the number 5, S-I-P, sip means sokhna. Clear? When you watering the plant, okay? When the water touch the soil, automatically it absorbed by the soil. That is called sip. Okay? जब हम पानी डालते हैं मिट्टी में तो पानी कहाँ जाता है? ऊपर से बह जाता है या अंदर चला जाता है? अंदर जाता है ना? तो that process is called sipping. सोख लेना. क्लियर? ड्रॉन मीन्स किसी गहराई से किसी चीज को बाहर निकालना. क्लियर? ड्रॉन. ओसिस, दिस इज द प्लेस, आई एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट इट ऑलरेडी. वाटर टेबल, T-A-B-L-E, W-A-T-E-R, T-A-B-L-E, water table. This is the upper layer of the water. Clear? Now number 9, S-N-O-W, snow. Snow is the frozen form of the water. Clear? Now 10 number, solid, S-O-L-I-D. This is the solid when we freeze the water. Clear? So we get the solid form of the water. That is called, that is the example of this solid form is ice. Ice is the solid form of water. Solid means that is hard. We also hold that water So that is the solid form. This is the form of the water. Liquid is also the main form of the water. Liquid. Liquid is the main form of the water. Clear? Now our common form of the water. Clear? Now gas. Gas. When we boil the water or we heat the water, we change the water in the gas. If you by the heating, we change the water in the gas. Gas is the form of the water. Clear? Now, so this is the new words of the chapter number. Which chapter? Chapter number 50. Clear? Now, if you want to take a picture or screenshot, you have it. Take the picture. Otherwise, I also send you the picture of these new words. But if you want to take a picture, so you take the picture, okay? Now, I rub this side board, okay? 1 to 5 I erase here. Now write the number 13. 1, 3, 13. Evaporation. 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 You all know about the evaporation. When the water change in the gas, that is called evaporation. Now next, condensation. 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 Now the 15th number. The 15th number is precipitation. 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 Now 16 is circulation. Circulation. So this is the new words of the chapter number 16. Okay student, evaporation. When water changes into the gas, this is called evaporation. Condensation. Condensation. Condensation, when the vapor come in the touch of the cool air and it will be changed in the small droplets, that is called condensation. When the vapor change into the small droplets, that is called condensation. And Precipitation, Precipitation, precipitation. Precipitation means when the water droplets comes together and come down on the earth. This is called precipitation. In the form of rain, when the water droplets come on the earth, this is called precipitation. Now the circulation means this is the cycle. One by one, this process is going on our environment. Okay, this is the circulation means एक चक्र बन जाता है. CIRCULATION, circulation. CIRCULATION, circulation. So now student, we completed here our new words of chapter number 15, and also today we completed which thing? Book exercise that is given in the page number 105. Both things we completed here. In the next lecture we write question answer of this chapter. Okay student, so I finish my lecture here. I hope you are reading the chapter at home, and those are not doing this work, please I request you have to read the chapter once in a day. Okay, सिर्फ एक दिन एक ही चैप्टर को आप पढ़ो प्लीज, बिकॉज it helps you in the exam. Clear student? So I hope you read the chapter at home, and please take care of yourself and also your family members. Clear? क्योंकि हम अभी तक कोरोना से बाहर नहीं आए हैं. तो use mask and do exercise and eat healthy diet. Okay? For the fighting against the corona. Okay? I hope you follow my instruction and read the chapter and follow the good healthy habit. Okay? I hope you enjoy your days. Bye.